Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your Lenovo model and Windows version so you choose the right steps. Once done, sign in with an administrator account and back up critical files. This prevents data loss if something unexpected happens. Now make a system restore point or image. That gives you a rollback option. Next, ensure your laptop is plugged into power and know the key to enter BIOS or boot menu, F1, F2, or Novo button, so you can reboot and proceed without delays. You will now disable safe mode through Windows settings and boot configuration. First, open msconfig, go to the boot tab and uncheck safe boot. Apply and restart to attempt normal boot. If that fails, go to settings right arrow update and security right arrow recovery, right arrow advanced startup, right arrow restart now, then troubleshoot right arrow advanced options, right arrow startup settings to disable safe boot options. If needed, open an elevated command, prompt and run bcdedit/delete value current safe boot to remove the safe boot flag, and then restart your machine. You finish by restarting the Lenovo and confirming it boots into the full desktop with networking and device drivers active. If Windows still enters safe mode, run sfc/scano and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health from an elevated command prompt. These repair corrupted system files that force safe mode. Make sure to check Device Manager for driver conflicts and install updates. If problems persist, boot safe mode with networking so you can download driver packages or run remote diagnostics before attempting another removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.